Hello, so we're here from the Clark Family Adventures, and we're going to go swimming and fishing, and please subscribe.
Yeah, so we're gonna go fish some sinkhole lakes here in northern Michigan. They had some limestone deposits that eroded, I don't know how many ever years ago. So we're gonna go fish those. Apparently there's some really big trout in there. So we're at our first one right now. We're getting ready to hike in, and then we'll probably do some swimming, grab some lunch. Yeah, that's it. We might stop at the Pigeon River like information center, which is pretty cool. So might show you around there. But yeah, so we're gonna get hiking in here, and hopefully we catch some fish. We'll be back in a minute. All right, hop out.
All right.
Come on. All right, here we go.
See what I mean? This is the spot I mentioned.
What's that?
This is the finding spot I mentioned.
Yeah.
Dad, I found another Adam stone.
Nice, dude.
I'm gonna keep it.
Well, just set it off to the side and we'll grab it on the way back, because it's a little bit of a hike in here. Hurry up or a bear's gonna get you. Oh, there's lots of bears out here.
Dad,
Yeah?
what I found.
What'd you find? Oh, that's really cool. Show everybody. Zoom in. Show them different ways. That's really cool, buddy. Hopefully it shows up good on camera. Flip it over, catch the line, one finger, cast it out there. Yep. That's what keeps this part on. Yep. Oh, you're done?
Oh, I thought you wanted it.
No, I was just gonna let you keep on. I just wanted to show you guys how crystal clear this water is. You see logs. I don't know how well it's shown up on the camera, but you can see logs way down in there.
Dad, what is that? Dad! I can see you. Hey, something flew on the light of our camera.
It's a lot of work carrying that thing around.
Yeah.
Which side's your good side? Your left side or your right side?
Left. Alright, so we're heading back to the truck. We're heading towards a big mountain, as you can see. Yeah. And we're behind the big mountain, and now I'm collecting the Adam Stone.
All right, guys, so we're here. We're in the middle of the Pigeon River Country State Forest. We just checked out Cornwall Creek flooding. The DNR's been doing some work on the dam there, and the water level is way down. I think we got a clip that we'll show you guys here in a little bit. All right, guys, gonna go Sinkhole Lake number 2, and we're gonna let Egan play with the camera, have some fun, do some fishing. So we'll see you down there.
Hello, we're here at the YouTube channel, and please subscribe to this video. Thank you.
You want to lead the way, or you want me to?
I got it. So we're going to the next sinkhole, and my dad said they can get about 60 feet deep. So I do not think I'm gonna go to the bottom. So okay, which way do I go?
Oh, that was probably it.
Ah, snap.
Can you go this way?
Sure. Pine needles, ouch. Ouch. Too many pine needles. Oh, I'm fat. So we're here at the Clark Family Adventures YouTube channel. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I tripped. Dad, I slipped in a hole covered up in grass, and then I fell and I fell on the ground. Oh, look at it. It's a pollen one. I don't know what that kind of flower that is. Hoping we can see some beavers at the dam. But we're not gonna go hunting for beavers. We're going fishing, and I am excited, so yeah. Oh, what was that? See that? It's a vulture. Oh, look it! Found a den. Right in there. A hole. Wonder what's in there. So yeah, we're here and trying our best to catch a fish, but snap! Keep on falling. Oh gosh, that's a big, humongous lake. That's what I mean. You gotta get me.
Stay right here.
Oh my gosh. It's a snapping turtle out here. Where's that, Dad?
See him out there?
Oh yeah. See him? Big old snapping turtle. See him brownish in there? Big old snapping turtle. Look what I just caught. I just caught a little frog. Little frog right there. Just caught him.
Howdy.
Hey, what's going on, man?
You guys getting anything?
No.
No?
No, we just got here though.
Oh, okay.
Ah. I hate this tree that's always tripping me.
Okay.
Do you have, where is your towel at?
Okay.
Perfect. Is there one in there for me?
I don't know. No, there's not.
Oh, that's fine.
Well, what are you gonna do?
I'll just drip dry. It's hot enough out. I think that's wise. Don't run downstream. Hold on. Oh. Yeah. That's luck. Probably not. Oh, we gotta make it.
Oh,
Oh. Hey, you gotta be right here where I can see you, okay?
okay.
Stay right up there. Oh, let's duck our head a little bit. Oh, it's colder over here.
It is?
Yeah.
Come on, try to go over there. If I can. It's even colder. Sure. No.
Ready? Oh! All right, you gotta stay right here, okay?
Okay.
Oh.
For me, it's not. It's not colder over here. It's less colder.
Less colder?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Here's that something. Yeah, those the pine thingies, those look hard. If I was inside this fire, I would get them how it was.
Right. How is it? Are you dry already?
Almost.
Kinda.
Yeah. It's better be for sitting on.
Just tip it up. Tip it up on a time.
What?
Tip it up on a time. No, tip it up.
This?
There you go. Yep. Throw them sticks in the fire if you want.
These?
Yep. Just break them up into small pieces. One stick at a time. Go ahead. That one's fine. No, throw it in the fire.
Here, we'll work as a team. Here. Turn around. As a team, you stay down there, I'll stay up here.
Can I be the spiller?
You want to be the spiller?
Yeah.
Sure.
Well, get up here. You don't even have to move from your rock.
Show me how to do it, like you know. How do you
Okay.
do it?
Washing?
Yeah.
Just a little sprinkle. Just a little bit. Spread it out. Make that water go a long way.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, one more. How to do it.
I want to be the spiller.
Go on.
I want to be a spiller.
Alright, little sprinkle all the way around. Yep, keep going. Yeah, you're like a regular old sprinkler system. Alright, one more cup. Do you see any smoke? You want to get it where the smoke's at. Alright, let me see the rest of that. Let me see the rest of that. Alright, go get one more. Doing great work, buddy. Get a full, nice full cup. Tilt it the other way. There you go. See, look how, yeah, good job, dude. That cup doesn't even get any fuller than that. Nice, good job. All right, clean up. Everybody do their share.
What do you mean?
I mean, clean up. Everybody everywhere.
Well, what do you want me to set this thing? Strap his hit.
Okay, everybody. Egan wants me to go over this with you. We're gonna turn this into a camping trip. We're just kind of running out of we're tight on time, so this was kind of a day excursion with some swimming, some hot dogs, some fishing. Had a pretty good time. We were gonna use this tonight because it's like 95 degrees out here right now. It's pretty warm.
what we're gonna do is, this is a DIY swamp cooler. Just look this up on Google, YouTube, and yeah, it's pretty easy to make. Just a styrofoam cooler, 90-degree elbow, and a just a small fan, battery operated. So all you're gonna do to make this thing go, take the lid off, take your ice here. Dump the ice into the cooler. Lid on. Fan on. Go the high setting. Put it over the one hole. All right, we'll have Egan test it out. Tell us if any cold air is coming out.
It's going good.
Oh yeah, that's going really good. Never done this before, just saw it, knew it was going to be blazing hot this weekend on our excursion. Man, that's actually pretty darn cold coming out of there.
Yeah. Whoa.
That feels good, man.
Down.
Oh man, put your face right in there. Does it feel good?
Yeah.
All right, cool. That's a wrap. All right, guys. Last stop for the day, and then we're headed home. I've always wanted to find some wild blueberries in Michigan. So I got a tip from somebody at the MSU Extension Office in Roscommon County last year. She said I was a little late last year, and so yeah, we're gonna go find some. Egan's super thrilled. He's gonna get a Big Mac after this, he said. So yeah, wish us luck.
A Happy Meal.
Oh, a Happy Meal. All right, so he's gonna get a Happy Meal. So wish us luck. We're gonna go try and find some blueberries. We'll let you know if we do.
Dad, why'd you go without me? Are these blueberries?
No, definitely not.
It was a bug. Oh. What's blueberries?
I don't know. All right, so that did not take us long at all. And thank you to the MSU Extension lady. We are in a bunch of different blueberry plants. So all of this is a blueberry bush, blueberry plants, field, whatever, and patch, blueberry patch. And we're just gonna, we've seen here, where's the one at, buddy?
What do you
Okay, so here's one right here that's not so ripe. So that's what the plant looks like. That's what Egan looks like.
Oh, Dad. Oh, it's inside. It's starting. No, that's just a leaf. I thought there was.
Yep, so we're going to just take a look around for a little bit, see if we can find maybe a handful of some ripe ones. Okay, so the deeper we go here, we're seeing a bunch of them. They're just not quite ripe yet. So, like over here, yeah. Over here, here's some. These are not ripe yet. So, figured we might be a little bit early. But at least I can finally say I know what one looks like now. I can't say that I ever saw one of these and knew what it was.
One's right.
Or?
What
Oh,
about
there's
y'all?
another one right there.
Oh, where? I thought it.
Does it look good? Oh yeah, that's a good one. Eat it. Yeah, I see lots of not ripe ones yet. Okay, so here's one with a bunch of different berries on it that aren't ripe. Yeah, that one's got a few. There's one. Go ahead and pluck that.
This one?
Yeah. I'll take this one.
Ooh,
There you
I
go.
want to get that one.
That one's mine.
Oh, is this one?
No, that one's not good yet.
It is?
Oh, there's some big. There's a big one over here, buddy.
This one's not right?
Nope. Look at this one. This one's a big
Can I eat that
one.
one? I want to eat that one.
A big one. This one's mine.
Hey, yo.
Oh, that's a big cluster. Nope, those aren't ready yet. Nice.
I want to get
Look
that.
at
Oh, Dad.
Oh, that's a perfect one. Here, let's see it on the camera. Yeah, nice. Pick it off. All right, eat it.
Oh, that one's a sour.
Sour?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So all in all, pretty much pretty good success. We got to fish the sinkhole lakes. Got to fish a couple of them. They were busier than we expected. There's quite a few. It's 4th of July weekend. There was quite a few people visiting those, fishing them. You know, we had people. We went to 2 of them. Stopped at a 3rd. There was a bunch of cars there, so we didn't go. Yeah, man. So that was really cool, though. Haven't seen something quite like that before. Those sinkhole lakes. Got some more blue. I'm just like the king at identifying blueberry plants now. I've seen one, so now I know what every blueberry plant is now. So we did that. You guys saw, we got in the river, had some lunch. Now we're headed back home. We got to get out of here on this treacherous road. But that's it for this video. Really appreciate you guys watching. Egan, do you want to say anything to everybody?
Sure.
What do you want to say?
Hello, everybody. Thanks for watching this video, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.
All right, man. You heard it right from the kid. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get going home, and hope everyone had a good 4th of July. We'll see you soon.